Hi friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of GrowPath and SelectorsHub. A major release 1.0.3 is live now on all the browsers. I will quickly explain what all new features has been added, which are really amazing and a lot more time saver. So let me just click here and go to those change log. So number of occurrence in auto suggest. I'm really thankful to Gaurav for suggesting this feature. So let's always open like this. So before showing it all these features, I would request you, like, if you haven't updated, so you must be having how to update. So just go to that extension page here, chrome :/extension, or you can directly, like, here right click and manage extension page, so it will open the same page here, and here you can click on update. Okay, so mine is already updated. This is 1.0.3. here you can see it. Okay, so coming here now, let me close this and refresh the browser. After update, either restart or refresh the tab which are already open. So number of occurrence in the auto suggest. So let's say we, for this element, we want to make it. So right click and inspect, and we want SelectorsHub here. So you see, like, as soon as you start typing here, previously we were getting auto suggest, but these occurrences was not there. Like, now immediately it tells you that how many occurrences for this suggestion. So if you hit enter, you see 15, though you were before itself, like, as in auto suggest itself, it is suggesting how many occurrences. Let me zoom in, and then you type square bracket, open square bracket. You see all the occurrences for every matching node it is showing, every possible attributes or XPath function, you can say. It is suggesting the number of occurrences, and it is also suggesting, like, what all the possible things which could like zero occurrences as well it is showing, because sometimes, like, people can ask, can we use this one because SelectorsHub is there, this text is there, can we use this, can we use this, can we use this? So what are the possible? So that's why zero. You might having that question, what is the point of showing zero? So this is just for learning purpose, and anyways it is going to show at the last. So just like for learning that, okay, so these are the things which are showing zero, that is the reason it is not suggesting, because sometimes people think that why it is not suggesting these kind of functions. So this is just for learning purpose, that what is the reason that we can't use this kind of function here in this. So it is zero. Then it has the last option, position is equal to, and then all those options. Okay, so it is going to really help you a lot. And you hit enter, the same occurrences. SVG suggestions in the title, second one. So let me for example, this is the one. This element is showing as, let's see if this is an SVG. I know it is SVG. So it's SVG element. So, like, many beginners and many people doesn't know, like, what are the, which element is SVG element, because okay, so this is having SVG tag, we can easily get to know. What about this path? Like, if it is showing like this, so those who are beginner, those who are new to these elements, this kind of element, they might not get to know whether this is SVG or what. So now if you will open SelectorsHub, immediately it tells you that this is SVG element, and then you know that SVG has a different format. So as soon as you type here, it will suggest that along with their occurrences, so you can solve this. Okay, then next feature is separate the error message info. Okay, so now it has the, like, earlier you might have seen that complete error message along with the information, it shows together. Now if there is any error or something missing, it will show separately, like invalid XPath and what is missing. Like in case of here, this is a shadow DOM example I will show you. So we all know, or if you don't know, that XPath doesn't support shadow root element. So as soon as we inspect this kind of element which is inside shadow DOM, it shows inside shadow DOM. So here if we type, let's say, something input, so it will immediately tells you that invalid CSS selector, XPath doesn't support shadow DOM. So okay, so that's an information. And here you see this. So this is how now it's giving the better error message, separated with error as well as info. Added index suggestion like this. So now it has the index suggestion, because many a times people say that we are not able to find the because for certain elements there is no like one matching node is not there. So in that case it will suggest, let's say for this example there are two matching node with this one, but now we are not able to find any attribute which is unique, so we want to make it with the index one unique. So you just put your like similar format what you used to type, so open parenthesis, you see it is suggesting with the index. So now we can generate with the index. And if you have tried with some other attribute, so it will always suggest the index with the current format what you have created. So like now we have typed our forward slash a, so it will suggest with this index for this element, for the current inspected element. If you would have written this one, then the index will be different. So every time the index will be different, remember guys. So it will always suggest index according to like what you have already entered here. Okay, then index suggestion number 5th is position last. So I showed you guys like it has that option now, position here, like last position function is there, normalize space is there. Okay, so yeah, normalize space is there, so you can see that this function has been added in auto suggest. Thankful to QTP Sudhakar and SaiKiran for suggesting these features. Added how to use instruction as placeholder. So you see now, like when you will open SelectorsHub, so many people complain that like we are not getting auto generated X path is not there, it's not showing anything, blank tab is there. So guys, just to make sure them they would be able to like immediately they get to know, okay, what are the simple steps to use this, because it's very simple, there's nothing, no science is required, it's very straightforward to use this tool. So instruction has been added here, how to use inspect element to get auto suggest while typing, and it it shows the auto suggest for inspected elements. So all those steps has been added, like don't try on blank tab, like many people were previously immediately trying to on this kind of tab, right? They think like this is a google.com, but actually this is a blank tab, right? So here what you do now, before it was okay, let me come here first. Highlight error message for the with the instruction if user doing any mistakes. So previously what people were doing, they were like opening this thing and then immediately they complain that it's not working here, we are not getting auto suggest here in this page. So now if you try here, immediately it will tell you that sorry, looks like you are missing something and please follow these instructions. What are these instructions? Please read them carefully, everything. Close DevTools and open a different website in the new tab. So it's saying like, because you are trying something here on blank tab, or it could be some other region, so please try it on like new tab, with the new website. Make sure you are not trying on the default blank tab. So this is a default blank tab. There should be a URL like google.com in the address bar, so there should be google.com. I mean any website URL should be there. Extension won't support on the extension store website. It means like if you go here and open extension store, so many people try here using the tool, so it is, and none of the extension will work on the extension store. So please make sure that you are trying on any like so here itself you will not find it. So make sure you are trying it on genuine website, you are not going to test anyways this one. Open DevTools as attached window. So it is suggested that you always open DevTools like this. If you have open DevTools like as a separated window like this, then it will not work for the security reason, because SelectorsHub has been designed in such a way that it has considered all those security aspects for the banking domains and other websites, because many websites open multiple pop-ups, multiple windows. So when DevTools is open in this format, like as a separate window like this, then it used to inject, it get confused like in which window you want to use this SelectorsHub, so it start interacting with that. So it is always suggested that you open like this. And how to, if you have already opened window like this, then there's a 3 dots here. You click on this dock to bottom, or like left right you can open, but not as a separate window. And if you want to open it separate window, so what you do, first you open your website, let's say google.com, then you open SelectorsHub first with this attached window. Now you told SelectorsHub that you want to use for this google.com. Now you can separate it. It will be working like champ, because now it knows that you want to use for this page. Okay, so simple. Then what is the next one? Highlight edit dark theme for auto suggest drop down. So if you have seen, I'm not sure like if you have tried dark theme, but I'm a big fan of dark theme. I really love this. You see this one. So earlier when you were typing here, the drop down values were showing as a white theme, but now it has the dark theme. Okay, updated the social media links. So I've updated these social media links. I've created for you guys, I have created a LinkedIn user group, selectors of users group in LinkedIn. So I would request you please join that. So like if you will be having any query or any latest update or something, any event will be there, you would be getting all those updates. And you can also discuss with the like other selectors of user. There's a Facebook group, so you can, I would recommend and request you guys please join this Facebook group as well. Then there are like other important links here. So if you have anything you want to ask me or chit chat anything regarding SelectorsHub or get any doubt issue, you can connect with me on Slack, follow us on Twitter, Instagram. Any issue you can raise it on Git. So all those here, and you can see it here, the version number always. And again, guys, I would request you please share SelectorsHub with your friends and community and help as much as possible. Let them know about this amazing innovation. And I would request you guys please donate for this free product. And I'm working only for community. It will be great help if you can be a patron here, or you can make a one-time donation here. And anytime you guys can check me like how much I'm earning per month here, so it will be showing here. So okay, so this is my page as a creator. So if you would open it like in any other page, so you would be getting know like how much I'm earning every month through donation. So this is my monthly income right now, and I'm completely working for community and not working for any company. So guys, please support for this free product, and a lot more feature is on the pipeline for you guys. With that, thank you so much.